Alright, so you got this very nice convertible 6th gen ZL1, and it is just here for meth, right?
Meth and a tune.
Meth and a tune. It's already got a couple little bolt-ons.
Yep, it's got a Kong exported blower, upper and lower pulleys.
Very nice.
Rotifab intake, inch and 7/8 headers. We're doing the meth, get some more fueling, and then it's going on dyno.
Should make some pretty decent power with that setup.
Yeah, it's basically a stage 4 minus a cam. Should make 750. Eric's on his bachelor party this weekend.
Yeah, it was a pretty quiet day today.
Kyle's in Miami with his girlfriend. Here we are.
Yup.
Single and working. This sucks. First 6th gen I've had on my lift in about 3 months.
That's right, you did tell me the 6th gens are your favorite to work on.
Yeah, it's a little snack. Think about me, 3 women in a car with the
I really want the 6th gen ZL1 real bad.
Well, you probably get about 50 grand for that turd you got right now. Buy one.
I don't know. I can't get rid of the SS now. I've got too much love invested into it.
Yeah, it's hard, you know.
It's my first real like V8 sports car I ever bought.
I wouldn't call it a sports car.
All right, that's up.
Maybe a sporting sedan, like
sports sedan.
Like what do they call BMWs?
It's sports sedan. I think.
Yeah, it's one of those. Sports cars only have 2 doors, okay, just like my truck.
Right.
2 doors. Sports car. Alright, what do we got going on here? This coolant leak. Was that there before?
I have no idea.
Looks dry under here. Oh! What's that? Water?
No, that's probably it, right?
I think that's water. Maybe it was there before. Let's check out this exhaust.
Meth doesn't really have much of a smell to it, does it?
Nope. It's weird. Can't smell it, can't see it. It's hard to see when it's on fire.
Oh, great. I love how the tank just sits down in there.
Something like that.
You just get ready to dump this intake?
No, I can't until the mess solenoids show up that are apparently coming today at some point. Better let my solenoid mount, the meth line, see?
That sucks. It's like all right there.
I'm ready to go. So
really, you got a haircut?
Dude, yeah. So my buddy went to this barber like a couple weeks ago, and I saw him. We went out drinking one day on like a Sunday, and he's like, "Dude, you gotta." He's like, "I'm making an appointment right now."
It looks, Eric, Matt, you know that I told you last time that your haircut was shitty, and I didn't really feel bad about it because you asked for the truth and I gave it. And this time I'm gonna tell you, it's a really nice haircut.
The best haircut I've ever.
I agree. The fade is nice.
I paid for it.
Hey, you know?
I also overtip.
That's the kind of person you are.
Dude, he literally like did this like hard brush massage thing when he was done, and then like went over everything with.
Matt, where do you want a race car to go at?
Just leave it there. I'll put it in the trailer. Like whenever everything was scissors at the very end, like to make sure it's perfectly
Wow. Very nice haircut. 10
Yeah.
out of 10. Did you do your beard too?
No, he didn't.
Give me a look up. Still straight, you're alright.
He's gonna do it, I told him next time it would be long enough, but it's Zach's, well, it's Allegiance. Allegiance Barbershop, Zach. Dude's the man.
What county?
It's in Newark, Delaware.
Isn't that where your girlfriend lives?
No, I don't have any girlfriends in Newark.
Newcastle, sorry.
Hey, that's how a Mickey Moto or Mighty Mouse can should fit. Not all crooked and dumb.
Was it in there crooked and dumb?
Yeah. That was frustrating.
So Matt is just checking the spark plugs to make sure that the gap is correct and that the correct spark plugs are in there.
Incorrect. So they gotta come out.
So what's he got in there now? I know it's NGK.
It's a 6 heat range.
What should be in it?
7. 6 is what I use in like NA, naturally aspirated LTs. So yank them out, put some 7s in it. Put the correct spark plugs in this thing, gap to 22 thousandths. LTs like them tight.
Just like Matt. Take that sticker off your goddamn hat.
Oh, I was about to go get you a hat because I can't stare at that nerdy ass GM one all day.
That's ridiculous.
That's literally what I said to myself. I gotta use the hat.
That's nice.
Did you get that from your grandpa?
At least you don't act like you're some kind of like rapper and wear a flat band.
Yeah, I guess I would be acting like a rapper if I wasn't actually a rapper. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Matty raps.
I don't know who gave him that. I'm thinking himself.
Oh, his ex-wife.
Woo!
She did. She heard the best ones. The best ones are like a Sunday morning shower. I'm still a little drunk from the night before. Feeling a little frisky.
With your raps or?
Oh yeah. It's not that important. Eric, this is incredible. We got 2 people standing here watching a camera film its self.
Just ignore the
I mean, I could do that myself.
You could, but you didn't.
We'll split both their salaries.
I don't have a salary anymore. I don't get paid.
Oh, right. Here we go.
How many gap apparatuses do you need? Because you got a whole ring here. You got a whole set here. Amongst two other sets.
I have 4 very important feeler gauges, which I leave
I like gapper set.
in the
better.
nice, okay, the gapper sets. So 2 of them I use for ring gap, doing pistons, and the other 2 I use for spark plug gap. So they're always set up. I'm at and I just look, I grab it, it's got my handle, I can shank you with it if I need to.
I wish you would.
Jam this thing in your gut.
Always stab in the armpit, Matt. That way they cannot wear deodorant in the summertime because it hurts too bad. And when they sweat, it stings even more.
Interesting. If I'm stabbing anybody, it's gonna be straight in the
I think it's best to do it in the armpit. I think there's a carotid artery in there, so you also run the risk of killing them. I'm not a medical specialist, I don't know. Just a thought.
No, but you are an equestrian specialist, apparently. You like that?
Equestrian specialist is what he meant to say. He said equestrian. Which is hilarious because his ex-wife was very an equestrian.
Which I'm not even sure if my horse is still located in the same area. I'm not even sure if she still cares for my beautiful large Cody. One more time.
That's a neat trick.
No more tangles.
I've never seen someone do that before with a set of wires.
Yeah, you pay attention. We'll learn you something around here.
I figured that this was like retractable, like or it would push back, whatever. And
I've never seen that little dick before.
yeah, I guess it's not. So I just ordered the same. They have another one on there, same thing, and it doesn't have a little dick.
Yeah, I've never seen them. It's like a grounding dick or something.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was, but I figured it would like push in, but there's no. I don't know.
I cut that little dick right off.
You could cut it off, but I just ordered the right one. Whatever.
Yeah, you never want to cut your dick off.
No, leave the dicks on.
Do me a favor.
What's up?
While you're holding that camera, hold this in front of the tire where I'm about to have a flame on it.
Solder on those wires. Gotcha.
There you go. I just burn your finger?
A little bit.
Okay. A little blow job.
You don't charge extra for that?
Depends on the customer.
Depends on the customer.
I got a feeling this is gonna fit a little on the snug side. Maybe a little too snug, if you know what I mean. I think it's gonna be snug. It's snug alright. The corners need to go deeper, it feels like. The width is minty.
It's close.
I knew that was gonna happen because I seen some marker on the corners.
Yeah.
I gotta do that by hand. That's what you look like.
Thank you.
I like it. Picasso. Show you how to do this little thing.
We did not have a baseline on this because it came in and had a ported blower and some other shit, and it wasn't tuned for it yet, so we just did meth. So I think it's headers, air intake, ported blower, meth. So this will be first pull, so we'll see where it's at. Let's see if that was bad though. Alright, I just made like a semi full pull, made 730. So that was like the first real pull I did on it. Just trying to get the air fuel right before I started recording, so. I'll make a full pull now. Hopefully, as long as air fuel's good. $7.15. I took some timing out of it just until I got air fuel good, which it was pretty good there. A little fat when the meth started coming in, but added a little bit more timing and cleaned up the air fuel a little bit. $720, 692 torque. We'll get back to this thing in the morning because it's almost 5 o'clock. All right, next day, cold pull. It was actually still fat. I just took a bunch of fuel out of it. Made 727 there, 700 torque. Pretty good for simple mods. We might make like 740 when I'm done. Gotta get it to lean out some more. And I might be able to get a little bit more timing in it too, honestly. 737 there though. 706 torque. This thing should be pretty fun, man. But like no cam and 740 a tire, it's pretty badass. After this pull, I'll probably let it cool. I actually want to tighten the straps because I can feel this thing moving around a little bit. It was definitely loose. Let's do it. Pretty good. All right, I'm gonna let this thing cool and we'll come back. All right, this will be final pull on this, and then I'll do some trans and just make sure it shifts right. Close the throttle a little bit, which I figured it was gonna do, but it made 768. 743 torque. I just gotta fix the throttle real quick. Might be okay when it's a little warmer. I'm just gonna try it. It did again, I gotta fix it. Thankfully it does it up high enough so that it doesn't affect power. It's past peak power when it's closing the throttle. It closed the throttle at like 6,400 or 6,500. So you can see on the graph where it dips back down. It only closes at like 10%, but still it closes it enough to affect the power. Oh, that's good. A mother of two beheaded by a sword.
Everything happened in the middle of this road a little before.
By her boyfriend, who she previously got a restraining order on. That's why everyone should carry a gun. Can't win a f***ing gunfight with a knife. Still did it a tiny bit, but I'm gonna fix this and then I'm gonna do some trans tinning. I'll try and do a 3, 4, 5, 6. It probably won't spin in third because I think it has like a half decent tire on it, but we'll find out. Pretty good there. I shifted like 65, 6,600 every time. I'm gonna make one small change and do another one. I was wondering why it shifted twice, because it shifted and then I shifted it. But either way, this thing is good to go. I tried shifting a little higher that time. I might adjust the trans so that one gear carries out a little longer though. But other than that, it's good to go. Thing made killer power.